How to sign out of Netflix from all devices. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can sign out of Netflix account from all the devices. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you can open up the Netflix application and that you're signed into your account. Once you're signed in and once you are into a particular profile, you'll get an interface like this. You want to tap on the My Netflix option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, you want to tap on the hamburger icon or the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then simply head into the accounts option. It will take some time to load up and then it'll load up. Here what you want to do is you want to scroll down and you can see manage access and devices option under security and privacy. You want to tap on it. Once you tap on it, you'll get list of devices that your account is logged in on. You can simply go ahead and tap on sign out from every single device that your account is logged in on and you'll get logged out. So this way you can sign out Netflix from all devices. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.